right away.
Ay, abangan niyo pa yung movie namin ni Casey. Directed by Cathy Garcia Molina. Ganda ng story.
Yes.
Promise.
Sam and I have a movie that's coming out in the next few months, and it's going to be a really different story from what you're used to seeing usually.
Yes.
What else can we say about it? We shot sa Bukidnon. Sino pong taga Bukidnon dito?
Bukidnon, Cagayan de Oro, Lalo del Norte, Iligan.
Dami na ako pa ng Whitewater Rafting.
I'm global.
This is directed by Direk Cathy Molina,
Yes.
diba? You worked with box office.
Yes.
Nila Sarah John Lloyd. Oh, One More Chance po siya din yung nagdirect. Wow!
Speaking of One More Chance, yung next performer natin, siyempre, ikaw naman, kilala mo eh. Dapat ikaw ang i-intro.
Sino to?